Hi friends, this video is about how to prepare a dish using cantaloupe. Let's see the preparation. For this dish, I am using 1 kg of cantaloupe, or you can call it as bitter gourd. Along with this main ingredient, we need some more ingredients, that is red chilies, tamarind, salt, oil. That's all. Let's see how to prepare this dish. Clean and chop the vegetable like this. Remove the seeds and then take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to reduce the bitter taste from the vegetable. After adding the vegetable, keep stirring using a spatula so that it cooks evenly. While cooking, chopping the vegetables also matters a lot. So be conscious while chopping the vegetables. Then fry it well till the raw smell goes away. After completing the frying step, transfer the vegetable into the plate. Allow this to cool until it reaches the room temperature. I am going to add tamarind for this dish. In this stage, I am going to add tamarind and then salt. After adding the salt, fry the red chilies. Add a little bit of oil and then fry the red chilies. Then add it into the vegetable. That's all. After it cools down completely, make a paste of this. Using a mixie, I am going to grind this vegetable. While grinding, don't add too much water. Add very little amount of water and then grind it like a thick paste. Exactly this consistency. After completing the grinding step, take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of groundnut oil or sesame oil. After heating up the oil, add mustard seeds, then black gram. Black gram is the optional. After popping the seeds, add the paste and stir constantly until it exits the oil on the sides. Approximately it will take 8 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I want to share something. Those who are suffering from diabetes, they can consume this pickle in the daily basis. It is one of the easiest method to consume the bitter gourd on the daily basis. This pickle goes with rice, all types of parathas, also with dosa. Even kids also love this pickle because of its taste. This method is a very good idea for feeding the bitter gourd to the children. Now it's time to switch off the flame. It is completed. You can find the non-stickiness of the pickle. This is the exact consistency. Switch off the flame and allow this to cool. After it cools down well, then transfer into a container and you can consume this up to 1 month. I hope you all find this video very useful and informative. If you like this video, please support and subscribe my channel. Thank you.